Welcome to Brain Booster. Imagine a world where the union of earth and sky gives birth to a god of chaos, a deity known to instigate confusion, a figure named Seth. Born from the cosmic marriage of sky and earth, Seth emerged as one of the first 5 gods in ancient Egyptian mythology. His name, often translated as the instigator of confusion, reflects his chaotic nature. Seth was also associated with foreign lands and their people, further cementing his status as an entity of upheaval and change. This god of chaos was not confined to a specific form. His depiction varied, often portrayed as a composite figure with a canine body, a long, curved, pointed snout, and square-tipped ears. He was as elusive as the chaos he personified, with various animals from the aardvark to the oryx suggested as his form. From his birth, Seth was a figure of intrigue, a deity whose form and nature were as complex as the chaos he represented. Beneath the guise of chaos, Seth was a trickster, a god known for his mastery over storms and warfare. During the early dynastic period of Egypt, he was not just a deity of turmoil and confusion, but also a figure of benevolence. He was respected and honored for his ability to grant love spells, offering a softer side to his otherwise fearsome persona. Seth's role was not confined to the realms of love and chaos. He also played the part of a hero, a protector of the sun god, Ra. In a dramatic act of bravery, Seth saved Ra from the clutches of the menacing serpent, Apophis. Every night, as Ra embarked on his journey through the sky, Seth stood guard, ensuring the serpent could not block Ra's path, protecting the sun god from the forces of darkness. Seth, in his early days, was a revered figure, a god who protected and granted love, a far cry from the villain he would later become. In a shocking turn of events, Seth, the god of love and protection, transformed into a symbol of everything the Egyptians detested. During the reign of Ramesses II, Seth's myth gained traction. His image underwent a drastic makeover, from a benevolent deity to a figure associated with chaos, foreign influence, famine, and waste. As the tale goes, Seth's descent into villainy was fueled by envy. His brother Osiris, married to Isis, ruled a world of paradise. The earth was abundant with food, and everyone enjoyed equal rights. Osiris and Isis were the embodiment of compassion and equality, bestowing upon humanity the greatest of gifts. This idyllic world, however, was a thorn in Seth's side. The success of his brother stoked the flames of resentment in Seth's heart, leading him down a path of darkness. Seth, once the god of love and protection, was now plotting the unthinkable, the murder of his own brother. This was no impulsive act of rage, but a calculated plan born out of deep-seated resentment and jealousy. His transformation was complete. Seth, the god of chaos, was now ready to unleash havoc upon the world. But Seth's fall from grace didn't end there. In a twisted tale of deception, his wife and sister Nephthys tricked him. Disguising herself as Isis, Nephthys seduced Osiris, adding fuel to Seth's already blazing hatred. The god of love had now become a figure of resentment and deception. The tale of Seth is a cautionary tale of how unchecked emotions can lead to self-destruction. His transition from a god of love to a figure of hatred marked not just his downfall, but also his eventual fading into oblivion. Seth's story also reminds us of the inevitable fate that awaits those who choose hatred over love, chaos over order, and deception over truth. Seth's transition from a god of love to a figure of hatred marked his downfall, his eventual fading into oblivion. The tale of Seth, the god of chaos, is a testament to the fluidity of divine roles in ancient mythology. Born as one of the first 5 gods, Seth was initially a benevolent figure, known for his love spells and for saving the sun god Ra from the serpent Apophis. His composite figure, often rendered as a canine or a mythical creature, was a symbol of his connection to foreign lands and people. However, resentment and deception led him down a darker path. His anger towards his brother Osiris and the deception by his wife Nephthys transformed him from a god of love and protection to a symbol of all that the Egyptians despised: foreign influence, disorder, famine, and waste. His cult eventually faded, and he was regarded as an evil god. In the end, Seth's story reminds us that even gods are not immune to change, to transformation, and to the eventual fade into obscurity.